Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're going to talk about the 2D toolpath. Just remember that MasterCAM is the great tool to create your G code. So you need to be careful about your process actually. So when you turn to any product, you try to create your 2D toolpath. If it is not enough, you can turn to the 3-axis toolpath. If it is not enough, you can turn to 4 or 5 axis or the different fixture actually you can use to handle your process. So this is the main idea behind any CAD/CAM software. Okay, try to use the 2D toolpath. This is the quite important. Please try to create your toolpath only by using the 2D toolpath. Okay, this is the 2D toolpath. Contour toolpath, chamfer, advanced drilling, pocket face, high speed toolpath, and the engrave toolpath. This is the 3-axis toolpath. Okay, so what we did here, and you can see some SolidWorks part in our courses, and then you can also see the face toolpath and the contour toolpath and drilling toolpath, pocket toolpath with actually stock to leave on the wall and the stock to leave on the floor. And then you can also see the finishing process as a contour toolpath with the multi-passes, and you can also see the pocket toolpath. All of them, it's waiting for you. Thank you very much.